There are many products available to choose from napkin holders, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best napkin holders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Blue Donuts Napkin Holder. The Blue Donuts Napkin Holder offers the ideal blend of functionality and style, making it a must-have accessory for any gathering. Measuring 5.50 inches in length, 2.50 inches in width, and 5.00 inches in height, this napkin holder is designed to fit seamlessly on any kitchen or dining room table. Its elevated base keeps napkins dry and clean, away from potential spills, while providing a snug fit that ensures they won't take flight on breezy days. The modern wire design isn't just about looks, it complements any decor, adding a touch of elegance to your space. Whether you're hosting a family BBQ, setting a table for a festive party, or enjoying a casual get-together, this napkin holder is versatile enough for both indoor and outdoor use. Keep napkins within easy reach and your space clutter-free, while also serving as a charming table centerpiece that can be adorned with decorative flowers. Kitchen accessories. This modern farmhouse napkin holder is a great centerpiece for your kitchen or dining room table with decorative flowers, while keeping your napkins off the table and easily accessible. Napkin holder for indoors and outdoors use it at a dining table, kitchen countertops, coffee table, end tables, quest room, party, BBQ, RV, or at a casual gathering. Modern design. The simple arc and modern wire design will elevate any room's decor. Number 2. Homemaker Designs Napkin Holder. The Homemaker Designs Napkin Holder is a great addition to any kitchen or dining table. Its rustic country style adds a touch of vintage elegance that complements any home decor, while keeping napkins neatly within arm's reach. The classic white finish brings a cozy, nostalgic vibe that is excellent for anyone looking to infuse their space with a bit of old-world charm. This napkin dispenser is very efficient and sturdy, yet not overly bulky, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The weighted arm ensures napkins stay put, even in the gentlest of breezes. With its blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal, this napkin holder stands out from other dispensers on the market. Guests will surely admire the quaint design as they reach for a napkin, making it a great conversation starter. This is a must-have for anyone who appreciates practicality dressed in the charm of yesteryear. Number 3. Bavadu Napkin Holder. Upgrade your table setting with the stylish and practical Bavadu Napkin Holder. This elegant accessory boasts a weighted iron center bar that ensures your napkins stay put, whether you're enjoying a breezy al fresco meal or a cozy indoor gathering. With its substantial build, it's designed for ease of use for all. Crafted for versatility, this napkin holder enhances both outdoor picnics and sophisticated indoor soirees, complementing rustic themes with its vintage aesthetic, while the iron detail adds a touch of modernity to complement your appliances. Maintaining the mango wood is easy. Simply wipe with a damp cloth, towel dry, and oil periodically to keep it lustrous. Measuring an ample 83x83x2.83, this holder is not only a functional piece, but also a decorative statement that infuses a rustic vibe into your space. Number 4. Novaware Napkin Holder. Premium material. Made of vintage black cast iron, perfectly fits any home decoration. What's more, heavyweight powder-coated steel finish, anti-rust, wear-resistant, and easy to clean. Anti-slip bottom. More sturdy, prevents scratches to the table. And it can always keep tissues or napkins well organized and handy on your tabletop or kitchen countertop. Unique birds design. The attractive hollow-out pattern of a tree with birds perched on the branches, stylish and functional, adds a splash of a charming garden style to your dinner. Widely used. This napkin holder not only can store tissue paper napkins, but also can store notes, memos, letters, towels, and so on. Approximate dimensions. 12.6 x 5.3 x 13.5 cm 4.96 x 2.08 x 5.31 inch. Whether to wipe off hands, faces, or surfaces, napkins always come in handy. This napkin holder is classic and functional that displays a special style that goes well with your kitchen setting. Highlighted by its solid and cast iron construction, this napkin holder keeps your paper napkins stored in an ornamental form. The protective pads on the bottom protect your counter or table from scratches or damage. Number 5. Renovation Napkin Holder. Experience the enchantment of nature right at your dining table with the Renovation Napkin Holder. This eye-catching piece is more than just a functional item, it's a work of art that brings a serene sense of the outdoors into your home. The elegant silhouette of a cardinal bird perched on the side of the holder transforms your tabletop into a scene from a nature tableau, with its blend of width, height, and length to complement any dining setting. This sturdy napkin holder is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, ensuring your napkins are neatly contained and within easy reach. The thoughtful addition of rubber pads at the base means your surfaces will stay scratch-free and stable, without the annoyance of slipping and sliding. Whether you're hosting a casual barbecue or a formal dinner party, the holder's versatile charm is equally at home outdoors as it is inside, making it a stunning addition to any occasion. This napkin holder is an ideal choice for anyone looking to infuse their living space with a novel touch that marries whimsy with utility, making it the top choice on our list. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier.